Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to scan textbooks using CamScanner. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to simply scan textbook using CamScanner, you can simply go to CamScanner. After you are in your CamScanner, you can simply import your files or like images, or if you want to directly scan your book, then you can go to this book option. Simply tap on it. Tap on single if you want to scan a single page, or if you want to scan two pages, then tap on double. Or you can even go to the scan section and tap on single or batch options and simply try to import your image or files this way. So if you gotta do this, then you will be able to simply scan your textbook using your cam scanner, which can later be turned into PDF or JPG and give you a digital version of your textbook. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.